Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. So this is something new to the channel. I do some reviews, unboxings, makeup tutorials, and fun stuff. So this one is a little bit different. This company reached out to me to try out their cooling blanket. And it's super hot. It's summer. The heat wave is going on all across the country. So who doesn't want a cooling blanket? Okay, so never opened it. I have seen some other reviews, so I have an idea. This is from Arc Chill, okay? And it's a cooling blanket, cooling like no other. That's some great technology. Pro 4 right here. This is how big the box comes. So cool touch technology. It absorbs the heat. That's what it says. It has mica and PE nylon. So it gets rid of vapors, the sweat, cools off the skin. Gentle wash up to 30 Celsius. Don't iron, don't tumble dry, don't bleach, do not dry clean. And then you hang in the shade if you need to. I probably would hang mine up as well. So let's open it and see what it looks like, how it feels, and I'll let you know anything else. So this is Hypoallergenic by Elegear. Let's see. Okay. So I'm super excited for this. So this is how it comes. Again, it says cool touch technology. All right. And I do have a discount code. It's 10% off, and I'll leave it down here and in the comment section for you to try out. So I will say, like right off the bat, it's super soft. It does have like that stretchy, cottony type fabric feel to it. So the size on this is 51 by 67 inches. And again, 80% nylon, 20% polyethylene, and then the backing is 100% cotton. So let's open it up. And super soft. It's like a baby blanket. That's kind of what it reminds me of, a baby blanket. So you can see fabric here, like very lightweight. And then here's the tag with more information. Very nicely stitched, I will say that. So let's open it up. So this would be good for like maybe a full size or a twin for sure, or just an individual blanket. So let's see how it feels. So, I mean, when it's super hot like this, you need something that's very lightweight. So you can see on this side, it's the cotton side, and on this side would be the nylon. So let's just flip it over. Get up close. It is like a gray, like a heather gray. Oh yeah. On the other side, it feels just like a regular blanket on the cotton side, but on this nylon side, you can definitely feel that it's cooler. And I'm sure if you have like the AC going, definitely cool you off. So this is pretty nice. Let's see if there's anything else I could tell you. Do not bleach. Yeah. I mean, you really wouldn't need to put this in the dryer, but this is great. I can see like it would wash really easily if it stains. And something that we need here in Florida is a nice cooling blanket. If you have a baby or young kids, this would be great. Or somebody who is super sensitive to the heat, to like wrap around them, you know, use it at night. Definitely very nice. I like the fabric. and I will be using this. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave me down in the comment section. Don't forget to use that 10% off, save yourself some money. And this would also make a great gift, I think, for those who like blankets and those who want something to like cool off. Super cool. All right, guys, that's all I have for you now. I'm gonna go wash this and put it on a bed. Until next time, stay safe, guys.